ito yung pong napakabaral talaga natin dito sa ating hometown ngayon na isang baral dito sa Agusan del Norte, which is ang Soriano Lights, Cabadbaran City. So wala pa na-experience diri, so tunghayan natin. Here we go. And yun mga guys, ito na tayo. Yan, yun talaga mismo makikita mo. And mag-start yan. Before talaga hindi pa yun masyado. Pero ngayon, pinakamadalas at malaging tauhin talaga is around 6 p.m. to midnight. So maraming nagmumotor dyan and bonding with the family and friends and loved ones. So ma-experience natin dito. So guys, sa gustong experience to explore this is located from Soriano, Cabadbaran, Agusan del Norte. So sa di pa nakatry, punta na kayo and experience with the friends. Good evening once again. Enjoy, mga alaga.